Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be doing a soldering kit of a random number generator. So the thing in here is what we're going to be soldering. Yeah.
Soldering.
And all of this, just as a disclaimer, is done under parent supervision. So always stay safe when using this material and be very careful.
Because it can burn you.
Yep. So everything you see here can be all bought in the link in the description. Just a disclaimer, we are not professionals, so do this at your own risk and stay safe. Okay, so what we're going to start first is by putting on the biggest component here, as you can see. So we're going to flip it over, and you can see, if you can see these itty bitty spikes, this is what you're going to be putting in. And for the iron, you make sure you only hold it here. If you hold it here, it's going to be a little warmer, but never touch the metal or you're legit burn yourself, because this is like 400 Celsius. So what you're going to take your solder and keep your fingers away from a safe distance and then start soldering. So what you want it to do is put the solder on the thing. This is like my second time, so I'm not professional. Okay, you're actually going to do that for the first time. I'm start shaking it like this. Okay, now it's all right on. Now you get the second room. So you guys just put it on, and then it's on. And there, I started on this end. Actually, put this on here, and there. So I goes home. Hi, it's me, Susie. And so now I'm going to be doing the second component since Lloyd did the other component. So now, like you heard, I'm going to solder this. So basically, turning it over, and it's right there. So now that I grab this, I say the soldering iron and the solder, now I'm going to start soldering. Hi guys, it's me, Mikey from Mikey Macho Garage, and I'm doing a collab with Lloyd and Susie, and I'm going to be doing the third component on this, which is the button. Yep, don't forget to flip. So you can see. And then grab the solder. Okay, second one, 1, 2. Okay, and then gotta go with 1, 2 with the solder. That wasn't enough. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, next one. 2. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. There we go. That's all 4 of those on the button. Hey guys, back to me, Lily. And right here, we're going to be soldering in the transistor, which is this thing right here. And when we're done with soldering it, we're going to use these pliers to cut the rest off. So we're going to always come back here, and then take your solder and start soldering. Okay, look, and then this way, and then wait for a bit. Okay, and then I'm trying to cut these. Okay, you have this first one out. We should have it here. That's close enough to do this. Oh, that's me. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so now we're doing this component. This is flash. So basically it is a vibration switch. So now we turn it over. So I'm just trying to cut off the pliers. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And wait a minute. There. So now time to make cool and put it up. So, okay, there's one. So now, next we're gonna solder these two capacitors. So I'm gonna take the iron and my solder. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the ends off with some wires. So first, you're gonna flip this around. You can see the two long things that I'm gonna cut off. Pick up your solder. One, two. One, two. One, two. Okay, two. Okay. Now we put that down, and now we can shut it off. Okay. That's all. Okay, now I'm down to the resistance camera. Since you're not sorry, easy to put on the little chip things. So yeah, here it is. I'm sorry. I just do it for you. Okay, this is interesting. Take this off. Some difficulty here. There's some numbers. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing these three LEDs. Okay, first. So one, two, one, two, one, two. One, two. And now I'm going to be doing these last three LEDs. So I'm going to grab the iron, the solder. Let's start. So, 1, 2. 1, 2. There. 1, 2. 1, 1. Here. 1, 2.
Stop.
So we didn't have any AA batteries that had enough, so this is what we're using. And so let's test it out. One. 10. All right, now here, cool. Let's see if the shaking works. As you can see, it works shaking too. Yeah. So that's the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. And we really like this project, the random number generator. And if you're interested in buying any of these things you see here, it's in the link in the bio. So, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. How about you leave a like and subscribe. It'll help us really a lot. And hit the notification bell so you're notified for new videos. And there's more electronic videos coming up. Like the circuit. Bye. Bye.